Hello, welcome again to another video on HTML, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to build a simple website, a portfolio website with HTML. Now without wasting time, let's get started. Now the first thing you need to do is to press Shift and key 1 like that, then press enter. Then we're going to indicate the title of our website, that will be portfolio website. Portfolio website like this. Right now, from there, let's you come to body tag, and this way we to introduce what you call header tag like that. Now within header tags, we are going to create a heading 1, this one H1. Now you can indicate your name. I would say Kelvin Suri. Now I am going to create another class, and this will be paragraph. Then I'll say class subtitle, says subtitle, then close like this. I will say web developer. Okay, I'm also going to create another paragraph with the class bio. Say this bio. Then my bio will be a passionate developer focused focus on creating websites. Right now, this is within the header, opening header and closing header. Right now, from here I am just going to create a section. Will be just right away after this closing header here. So I'll say section with the class. This class I will call it skills. Right, then within this section, I'm going to create what we call heading, heading 2. That's how heading, and this heading will be my skills. That is the heading of our skills section. Right, then I'm going to create UL tag with the class my skills. Or I will say skills, my skills list. Right, that's okay. Then I will have to enter that list using li tag. So I can say HTML. I can duplicate this. So this one will be CSS. I'm saying this one JavaScript. Can add another one web design. Right, so after closing having done with this section, I'm moving to another section. I'll open another section with the class projects, right? So within this section, we must have our heading. I'll say heading 2. Then I can say this will be my project. The heading of this section is my project. Okay. Then you're going to create another div class. And this div class is going to be projects. I'll say project grid. Right? So inside this project grid class, we are going to have an article. So I can do this with an article tag with the class projects. Inside that, we are going to have another title that is heading 3. I will say project 1. Right? Then you must have a paragraph with p tag. So you're going to say something here. Can describe. Okay, you're going to describe a project. Right? From there, I am going to create a footer that will be after this closing section tag. So this way you enter your footer. I'll say footer tag. So within this, I am going to have my heading. So this heading, I will say contact me. Right? Then I'm going to create another p tag with I'll say email. Right? You can enter your email, for example, say right at gmail.com. You can as well add social media links and all that. So this is portfolio website. Let me save and try to check how it is going to look like on our browser. So let me refresh my browser. There you are. So this is the first project. The next video, I will apply CSS to make it look more attractive. If you're finding this very important, please consider following or subscribing for more contents like this.